Can you buy crypto on Robinhood? Yes, you can buy cryptocurrency on Robinhood, but it comes with some important caveats. Robinhood allows users to trade popular digital currencies like Bitcoin, Ethereum, Litecoin, and Dogecoin, making it a convenient option for newcomers to the crypto space. The platform has gained traction because it offers commission-free trades, making it a low-cost entry point for casual investors. Additionally, its simple interface appeals to beginner investors who might find traditional cryptocurrency exchanges overwhelming. However, there are several significant drawbacks. First, while you can buy and sell cryptocurrencies on Robinhood, you cannot transfer them to an external wallet. This means you're unable to fully own your digital assets, a feature that sets Robinhood apart from most crypto exchanges, which allow users to withdraw their coins. This lack of ownership has raised concerns about security and control, especially considering the risks of hacks or platform malfunctions. Another disadvantage is the limited selection of cryptocurrencies. Robinhood offers a smaller range of coins compared to other exchanges, which might frustrate those looking to diversify their crypto portfolio. Furthermore, the platform doesn't provide features like staking or lending, which are available on many other crypto platforms. While Robinhood offers a simple buying and selling experience, it lacks the advanced tools for traders who want to actively manage their positions. In terms of fees, although Robinhood doesn't charge commission fees for crypto transactions, they make money through a practice called payment for order flow. This means that the platform may sell your trade data to third parties, which can affect the pricing of your trades. Some users find this practice concerning, as it could result in less favorable trade execution, especially during times of high volatility. A fascinating fact is that Robinhood's crypto division is growing rapidly. Since launching its crypto offering in 2018, it has become one of the most popular ways for retail investors to access the market, even attracting new investors who may have never traded stocks before. In conclusion, while Robinhood provides a user-friendly and low-cost way to dip into the world of cryptocurrency, it falls short in providing full ownership and advanced features. Investors looking for a more robust and flexible crypto experience may want to consider other platforms that offer greater control and more options.